scenario? The villagers got kidnapped by the enemy last night. Is that what happened?
They were in some sort of foreign vehicle. We were trying to get after them, and the pro took off with them.
Oh. After they were kidnapped, the enemy soldiers forgot to take the villagers' rice, and so that's there you go. It wasn't a complete loss. So now we're hiking to a landing zone, and we've got to guard it for 24 hours to make sure it's clear of enemy, and then we'll be told when they're going to pick us up.
Sometimes like there's a...
We got to break up the profile of my ears. All right, get my bag off.